Okay, welcome back everybody for the second part of Google Classroom. I'm just going to show you what it kind of looks like when students start to submit. This is my economics class, so you're going to see quite a bit of numbers with some of these. But the stream here, you can kind of see everything that you've put up. So for example, I put up an announcement on the 13th that saying all quarter 3 assignments due by 2:59. So that pops up as an announcement to the students. Also a notification on their phone if they have the app downloaded. My week 10 Friday prompt was an assignment. So this is the same thing as me creating an assignment, just like that. When I click on that, you can choose between instructions, which you already have up, or you created yourself, and the student work. Okay. In this case, I had a lot of students that turned it in by hand. Actually, this was an assignment that everybody turned in by hand. So let me go to a different one here. Let's go down to week 9. Okay, so I had a couple students that turned these in online instead of by hand. And it pops up saying these are turned in, these are not turned in. And you can actually add the grade in right there if you wanted to. So I could give him 100% on this right there, and it's going to show up in the grade book. Okay. Also, you can click on the student, go straight to their assignment. Okay, and it pops up just like this. And you guys can start to play around. If you have a lot of students submitted at once, on this screen you can move back and forth between students and then change the grades based on there and leave comments. The big thing is when you're done with this, nothing is final to the students until you click return, until you return the grade back to them. Okay, so that's kind of how it looks like on their end. When you do that and start putting in grades, it actually creates a grade book for you. Okay, I don't really use it a whole lot, but it will create a grade book for you here. It's being a little bit slow right now, but it'll put up all the grades that you can see and everything. So, and you can use this as a good way to keep track of stuff before you even put it into PowerSchool or anything else. Okay. So other things, if you post, say, a quiz, maybe you already have a quiz created somewhere, or you can create a quiz through Google Forms. Those quizzes will automatically grade everything for you, and you'll be able to see that right in there. Okay. You can pose questions, you can put up a topic. Any of those will pop up just like that. Okay. As you see here, my student teacher put up the chapter 10 notes as material. So that was an easy way just to say, here's the notes for everything. Okay. Like in this case where I'm screencasting these instructions, I can go material, add from Google Drive, and this lecture I'm giving, and actually the screencast one I just sent out a little bit ago, I can add that in, and that's notes now on Google Classroom. So I just lecture to the students, and it is available. Okay. So this is just one of those things. This is pretty straightforward. Just play around with it a little bit. The key thing is that students have these apps on their phones. So every time you post something, they'll be able to see it. Okay. All right. Goodbye, everybody.